Revelation, January 6, 2012. Heard in a vision a word with the pronunciation of papage or papaje. The closest words refers to peoples and weather patterns, from southward in the USA to northern South USA. Interpretation: Northern South America will experience major elemental disasters shortly. This will automatically involve Central America. It will include storm force winds as well as quakes, but not exclusive to these only. 5 days after the prophecy, January 11th, 2012. It is important to note that this is not the wind, nor was it filmed anywhere near the ocean. Listen closely. Here is a much more clearer depiction of the sound, which was also heard in another country.
Is it the mysterious sound of the so-called coming apocalypse? Some think that the mysterious sound heard in Costa Rica at around 12:30 a.m. this morning is exactly that.